Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones. Of course, you know I'm back with another banger for your head tie. That's some dog, yeah? I'm with my boy Holla. Hey, Holla, man, tell him what's going on.
First of all, I'm not his boy. I don't know. You know what I'm saying?
He's really my son, low key, man. Look, me and Holla about to go to the mall. I know y'all miss the Sniper Jones and Holla Mall vlog. I miss the Sniper Jones and Holla Mall vlog. So today we doing the Sniper Jones and Holla Mall vlog. Not just any mall vlog. I have to pick up something very special for Mom Dukes. Mom, if you're watching this, I love you. Shout out to Mom Dukes, man. It's not Mother's Day, but shout out to all the beautiful mothers out there. I mean, you know, without the mothers, we wouldn't be here. Without the mothers, we wouldn't be capable to do what we do. So shouts out to moms. Now, one bad thing about being a sneaker YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? Once mom starts seeing, you know, all these things happening and start seeing you collect all these shoes, she start, you know, leaving incentives for you to get her a few things. So that is the mission for the day, going to pick up mom some things. But if we see something we like, you know, Holla gonna pay for both of us. You know, he doing big things like that.
The AdSense from that video that we did, that I told you to do last night, you know what I'm saying? That's what's up.
Anyways, guys, if y'all do not know Holla at Crazy, I will drop him down below in the description. Y'all go over and check out his channel, everything from vlogs on his vlogging channel to all of the most craziest, most dissective bars, most analytical reactions of all time. See, I gas you like that. He don't gas me like that in his videos. He just be like, this is Sniper. Yeah, it's a big difference between the two. But anyways, man, go check out my boy's channel. We about to slide to the mall. It's raining right now, so don't expect
raining?
Yeah, it's raining, bro. Yeah, it's raining. Or it was raining. Yeah, anyways, hey, look, Way Before the Fame on the shirt. You already know. Go ahead and check out Way Before the Fame. Down below in the description as well. I will leave that link. But let's slide out. We're going to Cumberland Mall. It's not too close. So we got to get a move on things, man. I will catch up with y'all in a second. Yeah. Okay, so today is the day Holla is gonna go into Cumberland Mall and just ball out on your boy, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna pause that though, we're gonna pause that. So I'm thinking we hit a finish line first, maybe Foot Locker, you know what I'm saying? See all the things I like, see what you might think about picking me up, you know what I'm saying? What you think about that?
I might copy you some shoelaces, you know what I'm saying? Some oh, you can't use shoe cleaner. Shout out Rejuvenator, big Holla promo code down below.
All right, so first off, we're gonna hit up Champs. Now, Champs, y'all ain't never reach out to your boy. Look, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Hit my line, you know what I'm saying? We can do some things. I go in here a lot, I shop in here a lot, I see a lot of stuff I like.
You don't let it ring, ring, ring.
Okay, so this is something I've never seen before. Somebody brung back the Jordan 1s and they already rubbed them joints off. I don't know if Champs rubbed these off themselves, but they don't come like this. They don't come rubbed off. They were literally right here on the shelf, rubbed off. That's crazy. I never seen that before. All right, so when Mom Dukes, when she left those, you know what I'm saying, when she left those messages for what she wanted, she told me she liked Vapor Max. Now, I ain't gonna lie, you know, yes, I got a girl now, but it's been a while since your boy Snap had a girl, so I kind of forgot how to shop for women, and that's why you bring somebody who's been locked down for a very, very long time, bro. What is the vibes right now? Is this what I'm looking for?
I mean, my girl don't like colorful stuff. She like plain stuff.
I think my mom like colorful stuff though, bro. It's a lot. It's a lot, man.
I think these are the best ones though.
Yeah, like out of all the options here, these might be the best ones. I don't want to be a prisoner of the moment and just get these because this is the first store we went into, so I'm gonna check out a few other stores and come back if that's the vibe, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now we gonna go to a fan favorite. One of y'all most favorite parts about when Snipe and Holla go to the mall and do vlogs, boy. It's time for shopping with Big Holla.
All right, my guys, you got the Eskimo specials right here. They got the flap right here, you know what I'm saying? They went for a Timberland New York, you know what I'm saying, vibe, but it's not Timberland. These feelers, forever I love Atlanta. You can wear them up like this. You can get your Uzi on.
We not done. We not done.
You got the Supreme Jordan 11s. Gotcha. They felines, my guy. What in the cool gray 11s they got going on here? This is some hot trash.
Okay, so they do have a few sneakers that I thought was probably gonna be gone by now. They got the Space Jam Low IEs. These are still here. The Laker 13s. I haven't even seen these. I passed on these. I don't even know if anybody was going crazy for these. They got the Laker 13s up here. The Jordan 13. Is it a cap and gown? The cap and gown 13s? 13s is sleep right now. I don't even remember the last 13 that sold out. It's tough for the 13s right now. So I'm seeing the Jordan gold toe lows up here, and I'm also seeing the Jordan 1 frag lows. Now, the frag, these hot top joints, they're going for over a stack.
Yeah, aren't they the ones with, don't they gotta have like the imprint?
Yeah, they got the imprint. The hot tops got the imprint. These are the low tops, and they sit in here at Jimmy Jazz. We all know if this is a hot top shoe, this shoe will be sold out in less than a second. But the material here ain't the best. I'm not really a big Jordan low guy. That's why I did not cop those UNC lows, the SB joints. I said I wanted them, but I gotta stay true. I'm not gonna rock them, and I'm gonna probably have a review for y'all, but I'm not gonna cop those. So look, we need some incentive, you know what I'm saying? if y'all got any ideas, any dope ideas y'all think would be nice for us to do, let me know down below in the comment section because we're gonna be reading over those. We've already did like one of those hot wing challenges where I beat them out. I think we had to eat like what, 7 hot wings? 6, and I won because I'm the GOAT. You know what I'm saying?
Rematch right now.
I ain't bro.
BB3s is across the street.
BB3s. We went to Buffalo Wild Wings and we did the hot wing challenge.
Hey, listen.
And I scorched cuz.
$1 a day, I will send you a bottle of water, all you thirsty guys out there, because we just walked past. So son, listen, my guy just broke their neck like these when Shorty walked by. It was pretty sad. My guy said he would hate to be a girl.
Facts, that's true. I definitely can't do that now. Like that hot wing challenge, I can't do that now. It took me like 2 weeks to recover from those hot wings, bro. Stomach was on fire. I'm not going back to that.
Hey, how about we go to the food court?
This man been asking to go. Let me tell y'all something. So he's staying out of my crib. I told this man.
Go to my video to get the real story.
I told this man I had food in the fridge and I had snacks in the cabinet. He decided to not go for any of those. Woke up the next morning dying of hunger, and now we at the food court when he could have just easily. I got bananas, granola bars, chewy bars.
What time is it right now?
I'm not sure what time it is. What time is it? 2:09. It's 2:09.
Who don't eat till 2:09 in the afternoon, even if I ate last night?
Me. That's what happened when you working, you know what I'm saying? When you working too hard to eat. You know what I'm saying? I read in the documentary one time 50 was shooting Power and doing the soundtrack at the same time, and he forgot to eat.
Hey, he got Uber Eats, my guy. He's lying.
You right. You know what? I ain't gonna lie. You know what, Mom Dukes, you getting these. You know what I'm saying? You gonna get the floral Air Force Ones. I ain't gonna lie. This is for all them nights asked for Popeyes and you brought home Mickey D's. You know what I'm saying?
Bone dog. You know what I'm saying?
All them nights I got a whooping. I didn't even do that. You know what I'm saying? My teacher was lying. It's payback time. You feel me? You getting these. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what these are, but you getting these. So surprisingly, these joints sold out. Now Nike basketball been going through some struggles lately, I ain't gonna lie. Ever since them days of like the Galaxy joints or the LeBron 9s or with the KDs or with the Browns, with the Kobe's, they've been struggling. But Kyrie is on to something that, I don't know. They got these up here, the Sandy Cheeks are still available. They don't have the Mr Krabs or the Spongebob joints, but in my opinion, these were the best ones, the Patrick Star joints. So we finally at the food court.
You know what I'm saying?
So this man can eat. We had to stop, we had to detour from shopping so my man would not die from hunger.
Listen, I was about to die. Why you got this little glare right there?
I'm not sure.
I was about to die, I'm not gonna lie. But now I'm about to get some food on Snipe. I appreciate that part. You know what I'm saying?
So you know your boy Snipe eating swell, man. You know what I'm saying? I gotta eat swell, but more importantly, we're gonna see what Holla eat. He just needs to eat so bad. What he got? I ain't gonna hold you, that look good, bro.
Yeah, listen. I had to pull up and get some meat. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, look, man, I got my boy Kenneth in the building with me, you know what I'm saying? He rode up on me. We up here at the mall. He told me he watched the vlog. I appreciate it, my dog. Shout out everybody. You got a shout out one time, man. Get on him.
Hey, follow me on Instagram, Keno with the bread, and Snapchat, Ken Kicks.
Yeah. Follow my boy, man. Hey, I appreciate you, my dog. Appreciate it. Y'all, I done came to a decision, man. After carefully looking over all of my options, I've decided to go with these regular white and pink Vapor Max because a few things. Number one, I'm terrible at shopping for women. Number two, I know she want Vapor Max. And number three, I think white and pink, it might be the most womanish colors of all time. These is what we picking up today. The white and pink Vapor Max. Let's get it. So I just got the biggest finesse of all time. Literally 5 seconds ago, I know y'all seen me picking up a pair of Vapor Max. I was about to buy until I figured out they didn't have a size. All right, so now I gotta go for another pair. Oh my goodness. Shopping for other people is so hard.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all have a great day, okay? That's your food?
Boom! Okay, we did what we came to do. My boy got his food, and I got my shoes. So now we can slide back at the crib to get this video the ending y'all need. And I wound up not picking up the white and pink Vapor Max, so
we ended up getting the ones I picked out, you know?
Yeah, we did, and I will show y'all which ones those are because I didn't show them in the vlog. So I will show y'all when we get back to the crib. Okay guys, we are back at the house. Finally back at the crib. And before I reveal the sneakers that I picked up today, I had a quick question to ask because my brain has been wondering since I got back from the mall. So there's no surprise by now, you already know that the Kyrie Irving Spongebob collab did well. Like, I'm talking about super well. So well, they sold out on pretty much every colorway, and I knew people was liking it, but I didn't expect people to be doing this. People was camping, people was out here getting 4 or 5 pairs, reselling. I didn't expect it, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, here we go right here. This is probably like the smallest box you're ever going to see on my channel because this is a women's size 7.5, man. You see the translucent or the hieroglyphic or the I don't really know. This fancy Nike swoosh right here is because it is a Vapor Max, a women's Vapor Max, and like I said, this pickup was from Mom Dukes, and hopefully she liked it because the birthday is coming up, and she wanted some shoes, so I got some shoes. Here we have it, man. It's a Vapor Max now. Like I said, this was not the #1 choice, but I know my mom. I know like the colorway she like. I know what she's into, and I think she'll definitely be into these. Shouts out to all my women out there. Shouts out to all my mothers out there. Happy birthday, Mom Dukes. I hope you really enjoy these, and if they're not your size, I'm not going back. Anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching as y'all always do. Y'all always showing love, commenting, and just, man, it means so much to me. You know, well, we have accomplished a lot of things this year, and I'm super excited because it's only still the beginning, so we got a lot more in the future. Hit the like button on this video if you enjoyed it. Also, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. 100K by the end of the year. We're a long way ahead, so let's get it. Other than that, man, my Instagram and Twitter is down below in the description as always. Holla at Crazy Instagram. YouTube channel will be linked down below in the description as well, so make sure you go over here and give him a follow as well. That is it, man. That's the end. I will see y'all next time, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.